What if I told you there are side hustles out there that could help you earn more money than your classmates while still fitting perfectly into your student schedule? And not just pocket change, we're talking about real, life-changing income. If you're ready to stop stressing about money and start building your financial freedom, stay tuned, because today, we're diving into the 7 best side hustles every student should start in 2025. Number 7 is a source of passive income you must definitely try. Here's the deal. You don't need a fancy degree, a huge upfront investment, or endless free time to get started. These side hustles are flexible, lucrative, and perfectly designed for students. So grab your notebook, because hustle number 7, it's a complete game changer. Number 1. Freelance content creation. In 2025, content is still king. Companies and influencers are constantly on the lookout for fresh talent to create videos, write blogs, or design social media posts. If you got a knack for creativity or are willing to learn, this is for you. Why it's perfect for students. You can work remotely from your dorm room or the library. And you can also set your own schedule to fit around your classes. How to get started. Use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or TopDal to showcase your skills. Offer services like writing, video editing, or graphic design. Build a portfolio with sample projects, even if they're self-initiated. Don't underestimate TikTok and Instagram Reels. Short-form content is in high demand, and companies will pay for someone who understands these trends. You're already on social media, so why not turn scrolling into earning? Advanced steps. Once you gain some experience, consider niching down, specializing in a specific area, such as creating explainer videos for tech startups or writing email copy for e-commerce brands, can help you command higher rates. You could also expand your services by learning new tools like Adobe Premiere Pro or Canva for better designs. Deep dive. Imagine charging $50 per blog post and writing 3 per week. That's an extra $600 a month. Scale it up by adding more clients or charging higher rates as your portfolio grows. Plus, freelancing builds skills you can add to your resume, giving you a head start after graduation. Number 2. Reselling thrifted or vintage items. Got an eye for fashion? Or maybe you've been blessed with bargain hunting skills. Reselling thrifted or vintage items is a gold mine in 2025. Gen Z loves unique pieces, and people are willing to pay a premium for curated items. Why it's perfect for students. You can start with as little as $20 to buy a few items from your local thrift store. You can also run your business online through platforms like Depop, Poshmark, or eBay. How to make it work. Take high-quality photos to make your items stand out. Use TikTok to create haul videos, which not only market your items, but can also go viral. Write compelling descriptions highlighting the uniqueness of each piece. Look for trends. For example, Y2K fashion is hot right now, so focus on those styles to attract buyers. Keep an eye on social media influencers and see what's trending in the fashion world. Advanced steps. As you grow, consider branding your store. Create a consistent theme for your photos, and even design custom packaging to leave a lasting impression on buyers. Use Instagram to showcase your items and interact with potential customers. Deep dive. Imagine buying a vintage jacket for $10 and flipping it for $50. That's a $40 profit. Multiply that by 10 items per month, and you've got yourself $400 in extra income. With consistent effort, you could even turn this into a full-time business. If you want to know more about luxury, wealth, and lifestyle, my channel has a variety of topics, including personal finance, success tips, and insights into the lives of wealthy individuals aimed at helping you improve your life and achieve your goals. Click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bells, because I dish out valuable information every week. Number 3. Online tutoring or coaching. Do you excel in a specific subject? Or maybe you're a pro at a skill like playing the guitar, coding, or speaking a second language. Online tutoring is booming, and students like you are cashing in. Why it's perfect for students. It is possible to earn $15 to $50 an hour from the comfort of your home. It also involves flexible hours that fit around your study schedule. How to get started. Sign up on platforms like Tutoring, Weezant, or Preply. Create a profile highlighting your skills and experience. Offer a free trial session to build trust and get reviews. Something very important to note. Specialize. Being a general tutor is great, but niche tutors, like SAT prep experts or coding coaches, can charge more. Advanced steps. Expand your offerings by creating group sessions or recorded lessons that can be sold on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Not only do these create passive income, but they also allow you to reach a broader audience. Deep dive. Let's say you tutor 2 students for $20 an hour each, 3 times a week. That's an extra $480 a month. Create pre-recorded lessons, and your earning potential skyrockets while you sleep. 4. Print-on-demand stores. You don't need to be an artist to start a print-on-demand store. In 2025, platforms like Printify and Redbubble make it ridiculously easy to sell custom-designed merchandise without holding inventory. Why it's perfect for students. It involves no upfront costs. You only pay when you make a sale. You can also automate most of the business, giving you more time to focus on school. How it works. Use free design tools like Canva to create simple, trendy designs. Then upload them to your store and market through social media. Tap into niches. For example, if you're in college, create funny college-related slogans. Caffeine and deadlines might just be your bestseller. Advanced steps. Once you've gained traction, experiment with different products like mugs, phone cases, and tote bags. Also, invest in learning paid advertising through platforms like Facebook ads to scale your business. Deep dive. Sell 20 shirts a month with a $10 profit margin per shirt, and that's $200 in monthly income. Scale up by adding more designs or targeting specific niches like gamers or dog lovers. 5. Becoming a virtual assistant VA. As more people build online businesses, the demand for virtual assistants has skyrocketed. Tasks range from managing emails to scheduling social media posts, all things you're likely already skilled at. Why it's perfect for students. It's very easy to learn and requires no special degree. You can also work part-time and earn $20 plus an hour. How to get started. Join VA-specific platforms like Belay or Zirtual. Offer your services in Facebook groups for small business owners. Start by offering a lower rate to get testimonials and build credibility. List organizational skills on your resume. A VA who's great at streamlining tasks is worth their weight in gold. Advanced steps. As you gain experience, consider specializing in specific industries like real estate or e-commerce. Learn tools like Trello, Asana, and Notion to further enhance your productivity and marketability. Deep dive. Work 10 hours a week at $20 an hour, and you're looking at $800 a month. Add more hours or raise your rates, and your side hustle income could easily surpass $1,500 monthly. If you are confident the coming year is going to be a year of progress for you, type 1 AM ready in the comment. 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most passive income streams you can start. Promote products you love and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Why it's perfect for students. There is no inventory or customer service required. You can also build it alongside your personal brand or blog. How to start. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Create content around the products like TikToks, Instagram posts, or YouTube reviews. Use analytics tools to track performance and optimize your strategies. Don't just spam links. Provide real value. For example, a top 5 study gadgets for college video can skyrocket sales while helping your audience. Advanced steps. Build a blog or YouTube channel to drive consistent traffic. This not only boosts your affiliate income, but also creates opportunities for sponsorships and ad revenue. Deep dive. Earn $5 per product sold. If you sell 100 products a month, that's $500 in commissions. Grow your audience, and the numbers multiply quickly. 7. YouTube automation channels. Now, here's the big one. You don't need to be on camera to make money on YouTube. Automation channels, where you outsource everything from script writing to voiceovers, are the future. Why it's perfect for students. Once your channel gains traction, it becomes a passive income stream. You can also build a team to handle the work while you focus on school. How to start. Pick a niche like finance, tech, or self-improvement. Use platforms like Fiverr to hire scriptwriters and voiceover artists. Post consistently to build an audience. High CPM niches like personal finance or business bring in more ad revenue, so choose wisely. Advanced steps. Diversify your content. Experiment with longer videos, collaborations, or even launching a related product or service. Reinvent and improve your channel's branding and thumbnails to stand out in a competitive market. Deep dive. With 1,000 views earning you $5 on average, a video with 100,000 views could bring in $500. Post 10 videos a month, and you're looking at $5,000 just from ad revenue alone. As a student, if you are tired of getting broke and wondering how to fix your money woes fast, then click on the next video and transform your life totally.